Alright, so I figured it was about time that I shoot a little video here on tool bags. So that's my assistant right there. So I'm going to just start off by saying this is one of my most favorite tool bags I've ever used. This is the Veto Pro Pac MC. I've been using it in the field for about a year now. It's a nice little bag. I'm not really going to go over too much of what's in it. I'm just going to be comparing a few different tool bags in this video and showing off some new ones that I've got, and I will do a separate video in the future on what I carry in my tool bags. I mean, this one's pretty nice. It holds plenty of stuff. I've been thinking about upgrading to the Tech MCT, but I really don't need to. I mean, this bag holds everything I need to. I mean, as you can see, I've got PVC cutters, all kinds of nut drivers, 11-in-1 back there, cable cutters, wire shippers, a brush, chucks for my drill, electrical tape down there. So I mean, it pretty much holds everything I need it to. My Testo 510 manometer is right there. I'll be taking that out of there here pretty soon since heating season's over. Use that for gas furnaces. Get that up. Then on the other side, I've got my Milwaukee M12 cordless impact, work light, spare battery, tubing cutters, my Z manifold is in there, along with my Fluke 902 meter. That meter and the Fieldpiece SC660 are probably my favorite meters. But anyway, that's the Veto Pro Pac MC. I've used it for about a year in the field now. Love it. Got no complaints with it. Can't really say enough good about it. And moving on to the CLC backpack. This bag is actually getting retired. I've had it over a year. Let's see, it's CLC backpack. Keep a few odds. I don't really use it much now. I use the MC for most of my stuff, but just, you know, sort of become my catch-all. I've got a spare brush in there, my DeWalt right angle, other odds and ends. Anyway, like I said, I'll do a video in the future once I get switched over to my new tool bag. And then nut drivers and stuff, screwdrivers. There's my little Fieldpiece SC260. Forgot that was in here. But anyway, this bag would be good for like homeowners and stuff. I wouldn't really recommend it for using it every day. Some of the pockets inside have started to tear. Like I said, I've had it about a year, a little bit over a year, and I hate how it leans like that. It didn't do that when it was brand new, but I guess it's, you know, how you load it. But I just, you know, because the only thing I really have up front here is, you know, valve stems, you know, and that doesn't really weigh enough to cause it to sit like that, you know. Ain't that right? So even she knows. So, you know, I used to sort of laugh at the idea of a really expensive tool bag, but now that I've had to deal with this, and I've got other complaints with this bag too, but like I said, it'd be good for a homeowner, but I wouldn't recommend it for like everyday tradesmen where you're using it every day. So this is actually getting replaced by this. Very excited about this. This, as you can see, is the Veto Pro Pac Tech Pack. Very nice backpack. Has the solid base, just like the MC does. I haven't really got a whole lot in it. I did buy some new, I did buy a few new tools. I went ahead and stuck those in here. I got some brand new Klein long shanked magnetic nut drivers, as well as a wrench. Got a few small screwdrivers in there, stubby, and I'll be transferring most of the tools out of this into this, and then along with all my drill bits and stuff, and go up in here. So I'll be pretty excited to start using this in the field. But yeah, that's a whole lot more stout of a bag. And another thing I wanted to include in this video is Veto Pro Pac is actually running a special right now. I believe they're running it through June 30th, 2017, where with the purchase of a Tech Pack, the Tech MCT, and there's a few other ones, there's a few other different bags you can go to the website and see, but with the purchase of qualifying bags, you actually get a free TP4. So I got this TP4 free with the purchase of this Tech Pack. So that was pretty cool, you know. Because that's another nice little a handy troubleshooting bag. You know, I can put my Fluke 323 meter in there, or 324 meter in there, maybe a flashlight, a couple of screwdrivers, nut drivers, odds and ends. Put something in this little front pouch right here. There's pockets down in there for stuff too. So yeah, that was really nice. When I was gonna order the Tech Pack anyway, because I've been wanting something to replace this, and so the Tech Pack was pretty much the best tool bag I could think of, the best backpack tool bag I could think of to replace this with. And when I went on Veto's website, which I'll put a link to their website in the description, but when I went on their website and saw that they were running the special with the purchase of this, I could get this free. I mean, that was just, you know, I went ahead right then and did it. So this is very nice as well. Like I said, it's the TP4. So I would definitely make good use of that. So really excited about those. Get this down and out of the way. And I'm not bashing CLC. I mean, they do make pretty decent stuff, but it's mostly, in my opinion, just for homeowners. I really don't think it's meant for professionals. And then of course we have the MC. These are brand new. This I've been using in the field for about a year now. Super happy with this, and I'm sure I will be just as happy with the Tech Pack and the TP4. As far as tool bags go, I really don't think there's any other name out there other than Veto Pro Pac, in my opinion. I mean, I think they're the best. And of course, all their stuff does come with a 5-year zero downtime warranty, which is pretty cool as well. So once I get all my stuff loaded in here, I'll do another video on that, and I'm sure by that time I'll have some stuff stuck in the TP4 and have been using it for a little while, and I will show you guys how that turns out. Ain't that right? Hey, can you say hello? Can you say hello? Yeah. I guess while I'm doing this video, I'll do a little bit of an update on the R407C conversion I did on my air conditioner. When was it? It was at least a month ago. Well over a month ago. Have not had any issues with it whatsoever. It's been cooling the house absolutely great. The house is a lot drier. There's a lot less moisture in the air. Of course, I'm sure that's because of the new TXV with that coil I put in, because the TXV on the old coil never did work right. And I'm sure there's maybe a little bit, probably, it's not as noticeable, but there is a 5% plus capacity with R407C refrigerant versus excuse me, versus R22. But anyway, I'll do another update on that once it gets really hot outside, and show some temperature splits and what my superheating subcooling on and everything. But just wanted to show you guys those tool bags. I told a few people I would make videos, or make a video of my tool bags. And this is just to show you what I'm using, and then once I get this loaded up and this loaded up and have been using them for a little while, I'll do another video and a review and a more thorough look at what's in my MC if you want to see that. And the rood just came on. You can see, came on pretty smoothly with that Emerson Sure switch. But anyway, just thought you guys might like to see that. So super excited to have some quality tools. and quality tool bags to put my quality tools in. So anyway, actually let me show you one other thing before I end the video. Okay, now this part of the video, don't look at how filthy my van is. It's been pretty busy lately, but this is my other CLC bag. Get those hoses out of the way. I bought this one a little bit over, this fall will make 2 years. This is a CLC tool bag, and it's you know, it's well, you can sort of see it never leaves the van, and it just holds all my tools that I want to keep in the van, and then just grab them off the van whenever I need them. And it sort of sits kind of lopsided, and you know, there's really not that much stuff in here, but being that it sits lopsided, it's really difficult to get stuff out of this pocket here. There's my VN 500 nitrogen regulator and a whole bunch of other stuff. Like I said, I need to clean up. There's my Fleet 324 meter. But anyway, it just makes it a little bit more difficult, but it's not bad, I guess. And, of course, it has the plastic tray underneath here, right there, which I'm going to retire this bag too. I'm actually planning on replacing this bag with the Veto Pro Pac OTXL, which is an open top bag. I'll just set it right here, take this bag off, put everything that is in here into the OTXL, and I'm going to take this plastic parts tray and put it in the front pocket of my Veto Tech Pack with all my wire nuts and stick-ons and everything in it. But just thought I'd include that. Got my sawzall blades and all that. I'll do another video on the van, but for right now it's pretty messy. I mean, summertime is in full swing, it feels like already, and we are working non-stop. So in fact, that's why I'm doing this video now, when I was actually planning on doing it 2 weeks ago. So you if you're in this line of work, you know how that goes, especially when you're on call. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. I appreciate you watching. So you guys take care.